Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A25 randomly shuts off issue. So to fix this issue, first of all open quick settings panel and from here click on this icon and restart your mobile. Now after restarting open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on battery and device care. Now here click on auto optimization and if you have turned on restart when needed button, then turn it back off. And after that go back to settings and scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management click on reset and then scroll down and click on reset all settings. Now here again click on reset settings and then enter your lock screen password here.